Hey everybody, my name's Randy Wittis. That's my 67 Chevelle, and we got window motors in today. After doing extensive research, I ordered them from, well, you got a shadow going there. So let's turn that around so you can see it. From New-Relics. As you can see, it's out of North Carolina, and no, they're not sponsoring me or anything like that, which would be nice. But I paid for these myself. So I've already opened the box and looked at what's inside, but you know, we're gonna fake it here a little bit. And here's the unboxing of my new window motors. And the one that I need is the one on the driver's side rear. So when I repackaged them, I put them back in this way. This was already open. For me, I opened it. This was all, you know, saran wrap. So this is what we're looking at. I like this. Hopefully it all came from there. Here's your complete wiring harness for everything. On switches and all terminals, how about that? So there's switches in there somewhere, maybe, supposed to be. Anyhow, let's clear some room. Yeah, there was a lot more packing in there too. So I'm gonna pull this out. Hopefully I don't drop it on the floor. Set that over here. You know, you make a big table, and because you don't put your tools away, you just never have enough room. Here's the other. You get the rubber conduit that goes between the doors. Now I'm looking for, actually, yeah, that's the right so that's the right front. And left front. Let me take that out like I should. Do it the right way. The left front and the rear. Okay, so that's in there. Now I am looking for the little switches. Switches. Don't see switches in there. So the switches should be in here. And with that bag being open, it concerns me a tad. Because I haven't found them in the box yet. So what I'm looking for is the inline 4 switch panel and then 3 smaller switch panels. Go over there, look through. Well, this isn't looking good so far. They sent me a piece of paper to say, hey, if there's something missing, let us know. Oh, did you see my rear sheet metal? See, I finished that. Had to weld a little piece to the end here, all that. I didn't make a video on it, well, I should have, because it turned out nice, as you can see. Well, rip this open. Nope, only that. See, this is what I'm looking for. Supposed to be in here. Set it right there on this here thingy. Well, I'm gonna search that box some more. I don't think they're in there. Let's see, here's where it would hook up. Pretty sure. But I'm liking the construction of it. I was looking at some other mounts, and somebody said that the mount hit the door jamb, but I think or not the mount, the motor hit the door jamb. The motor was turned this way. That was on another brand. I believe I saw this type of brand. Saw a sticker similar to that on Fitch and Ride's show when they were converting a hardtop Nova. Well, it wasn't a hardtop, it was a sedan. They were converting, because no Nova was a hardtop. So they were converting it to a hardtop. And they were trying to configure the rear quarter glass. And I think they ended up using like a, no, it was a Nova motor. I take that back. Anyhow, take this back out, make sure my switches aren't in here somewhere. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. Oh, wait, there's another box. Goop. Dumb butt. Forgot about this one. I just assumed it'd be in that bag since it said it. Look at it. Ta-da! But, you know, like I said, I opened it, wasn't paying attention. So, there's that. Then, there's the switches. So, we'll put that back in here. And put that back. Oh, I'm gonna need one of those. Well, anyway, I'm gonna leave it right there. because what we have going, and I'll package that up later. Let's go over the wiring harness real quick. Since I've got it all laid out on the floor. So we've got driver's door, main switch, motor, plug, ground, obviously power, and it's fused. So that come off your, you can go into your fuse block. You have to read the instructions to see exactly. Obviously, I don't think it would be a constant feed. It would be off ignition. I don't see. Anyway, so then we've got passenger door, motor plug, switch, and see, they did that again. I fixed one of those earlier. Not a big deal. You just got to fiddle with it a little bit. That one's fine-ish. Motor plug, switch, nice looms. That one's okay. Motor plug, switch. Okay, so that's basically the harness. I haven't read the instructions, so I don't know if there's a relay that has to be bought or not. Look at that. Ground, 12-volt feed, diffuse box. So your red can go to fuse box. Which, you know, that's typical. Reversing the direction of your power windows. Okay, well, that's interesting to know. Not gonna get into all that. I'm gonna put that right there in that box, along with that there bag. I'm gonna pick this up off the floor. Now we're gonna see if that motor fits. What I have to do is what we were starting earlier. Well, you don't, that video's not out. What I'm starting is cut me that big old hole, and need to make sure that this motor's gonna fit, because it's supposed to bolt. That's left side. Hopefully their left is everybody else's left. And get a light somewhere in the vicinity of here. So let's see. There's the bolts right there. They supply them. So that should bolt in just like so. And the 4 bolts there, and there, and there, I assume, like so, which would put it like so-ish. So I gotta get that put in, and then tried to configure how this window is going to go up and down. As you see, my dilemma is right there. See where that window hits that wheel well? And I don't, you know, anyway, got to figure it out. Maybe cutting the wheel well, maybe not. Only roll the window down when the car's stopped, or don't hit any bumps, or, you know, who knows. So that's it for the unpackaging of the motors. And we will say, see you on the next video.